Hello friends, I hope you are all well. Today I am going to share with you a new video of painting workshop. This workshop was held at Kasim Bazar, Murshidabad. The place had a very pleasant atmosphere. It was surrounded by green and various types of flowers. Overall, the day was very beautiful. Every artist were using different medium. Mainly it was an outdoor painting. Let's take a look at all the paintings. This was today's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest video notifications. Thank you.